This channel makes over $20,000 a month from AI YouTube shorts, like what you just saw. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can create something like this. I'll also show you 3 of the best AI-powered niches that are getting insane views right now. I'll walk you through exactly how to create these videos, even if you've never made content before. By the end of this, you'll have everything you need to start your own channel and start cashing in on YouTube Shorts. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to grow, automate, and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video, because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. Niche 1. The first niche that's absolutely exploding is AI-generated animal videos. If you've spent any time on Shorts, you've probably seen these. Cute, funny, or heartwarming clips of animals that look completely real, except they aren't. AI has gotten so advanced that people actually believe these animals exist. This channel makes almost $20,000 a month in this niche. Here's how you can create something similar. There's a tool called Nim Video AI that lets you create realistic videos from just a simple text description. It's one of the most impressive video generation tools I've used, and you'll see the results in just a moment. To get started, head over to the Nim website by clicking the link in the description and signing up. This link will give you 150 free credits to explore Nim, so you can get started with the starter plan for just around $6 a month, the Pro plan for only $12 a month, and the Max plan for only $25 a month. I recommend getting the Pro or the Max plans because with these, you'll be able to download your shorts without any watermarks. These plans will also let you make hundreds of videos a month to boost your chances of going viral and making a consistent income. Make sure to use the link below to try out Nim for free and access these insane discounts. You start by generating an image using the text-to-image feature. For example, if you want a video of a mother bear and her cub walking on a snowy path, you just type in something like, "A mother bear and her cub walking on a road covered in snow, both facing the camera, realistic style." The AI then creates an incredibly detailed image based on that description. Once the image is ready, you can take it a step further by turning it into a video using the image-to-video tool. This animates the image, making it look like a real video clip. You can tweak the details, adjust the style, or even extend the duration if you want a longer clip. Repeat this process with a few different scenes, stitch them together, and just like that, you've got an AI-generated animal video ready to upload. It sounds almost too easy, but that's exactly why this works. You don't have to film anything, you don't have to spend hours editing, and you don't need any special skills. The key here is consistency. Channels that post these types of videos regularly see the best results. People love watching animals, and as long as your videos are visually engaging and have a relaxing or entertaining element, they'll keep getting views. Now, if animals aren't your thing, there's another niche that's just as powerful. Niche 2. Mythical creatures and giants. There's something about mysterious, larger-than-life beings that captivates people. These types of videos often go viral because they tap into that sense of wonder and curiosity. Creating these videos follows the same process as the animal niche, but with a different focus. Instead of cute and realistic, you're going for dramatic and awe-inspiring. You can use Nim Video AI to create a stunning image of a giant sea serpent being captured by sailors, or a monstrous hybrid of a spider and a snake crawling through a foggy mountain landscape. The key is in the details. The more vivid and specific your description, the better the AI's results will be. Once you've generated your images, you can bring them to life using the image-to-video feature, just like before. If you want even more dynamic results, you can skip the image step and use the text-to-video tool directly. This lets you create a video from scratch using just a text description. For example, typing in, "A giant, shadowy figure emerging from the ocean at night, with glowing eyes and stormy waves crashing around it," can generate an entire short video that looks like something straight out of a movie. Viewers eat this stuff up, especially when it's paired with some eerie music. Niche 3. AI-generated short stories. People love stories, especially ones that are emotional, motivational, or packed with unexpected twists. There are already YouTube Shorts channels pulling in millions of views and over $50,000 a month just by telling simple yet engaging stories. And with AI, you don't have to write or record anything yourself. To create these, you'll need to combine a few AI tools. First, you'll use ChatGPT to generate a unique script. Let's say you want to create a short story about a struggling young girl who helps a homeless man, only to find out later that he's actually a millionaire who changes her life. You just type that basic premise into ChatGPT and let it generate a full script for you. If you want it to feel more personal, you can tweak the wording, but the AI does most of the work. Next, you need a voiceover. Instead of recording it yourself, you can use an AI voice generator like 11 Labs, which can turn any text into natural-sounding speech. Just paste in your script, select a voice, and generate the narration. Now, all that's left is the visuals. Go back to Nim AI and create images for different scenes in the story. If your story has 10 key moments, generate an image for each one. Then, just like before, use the image-to-video tool to animate them. Once you have all your clips, you can edit them together using a simple tool like CapCut, adding the voiceover, background music, and subtitles to make it feel polished and engaging. What's great about this niche is that it's highly shareable. People love stories with strong emotions and life lessons, and if your shorts resonate with viewers, they'll keep coming back for more. You can also build a loyal audience much faster than in other niches, because storytelling naturally creates a deeper connection with people. At this point, you might be wondering how much all of this costs. The good news is that these AI tools are surprisingly affordable. Nim AI, for example, costs around $10 per month, and if you get an annual plan, it's even cheaper. Compared to hiring editors and voiceover artists, or spending countless hours doing everything manually, this is an absolute steal. The most important thing to understand is that AI is changing everything. A year ago, making money on YouTube required way more effort, but in 2025, you have tools that can handle almost everything for you. The key is to get in early, start experimenting, and stay consistent. Whether you go with animal videos, mythical creatures, or AI-generated stories, the opportunity is there. You just have to take action. So, here's what you need to do next. Pick a niche, start playing around with the tools, and upload your first video. It doesn't have to be perfect. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll figure out what works. AI is making content creation easier than ever, but the people who take advantage of it now will be the ones who see the biggest rewards. So don't just sit on this information. Put it to work and start creating today. If you have any questions about how to grow your YouTube channel, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside our community, we share exclusive coaching, courses, tips, and updates on growing automated channels and making money online. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. You can join for completely free, so come hang out with us there. Which of these niches stands out to you? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.